Alright, so we ended the last video, and I wanted to show you this weighted mean, and a little side note or something. Sometimes, excuse me, sometimes logic will get you the same place that like a crazy formula will. And so let me give you an example. This guy. So this is your book right here. I gave you a link. It's a online free PDF, or it's in section 3.1 if you've got the new edition and you wanted a book, totally fine. Either way, your learning personality. And so it talks about weighted mean. And so if you look, that's the formula. All right, that's super intimidating. Okay, but if you just kind of use your logic, you can get through how to do it. And so this means X bar right there. That means mean. Okay, and then you take the weight of the first thing, multiply it together, plus the weight of the second thing, multiply together, add them up, plus, and do the weight of the third times the third thing, and add that all up. That's that symbol, that SE symbol, means sum, and then you divide it by each of the weights. And so you can still figure out how to do the problem and maybe not be so intimidated by the formula. All right, so let's look at this. Excuse me. Good drink. All right, so here we want to find the weighted mean, and in this case, we want to find the GPA. A student got the following grades: an A in English, a C in Psych, a B in Biology, a D in PE. Excuse me. And so an A, it says, is worth 4 points. A C is worth 2 points. A B is 3 points, and a D is 1 point. And so what I do is I add up these credits. 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 4 is 10, plus 2 is 12, but let's triple check. 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 2 is 12. Sorry. Right, and then I go and I multiply these guys. All right, so 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 2 is 6. 4 times 3 is 12. 2 times 1 is 2. And I add those up. 12 plus 6 is 12 plus 2. We get 32. And then I do 32 divided by 12. Okay, all these are whole numbers, so we're going to do 2.7. It's 2.66. Oh my gosh. Sorry. All right, and so that's weighted mean. And I just kind of go through that process each time, especially when I'm doing GPA or trying to help kids figure out, like, what do you need to keep your scholarship? That a lot. Okay, so that is it for these concepts, and I will see you in the next video after you've done your independent practice work.